Hello, welcome to the lesson on getting started with Micropython using NodeMCU, that is ESP8266 based NodeMCU. So in this lesson what we are going to do is we are going to install Micropython in NodeMCU, that is flashing Micropython in NodeMCU. So we are going to use some tools in order to flash Micropython in NodeMCU. Okay, what are the tools we require? We need Micropython file, that is actually binary file, and also we need a tool called as ESP Tool. We have to install this ESP Tool. We need Python 3 because Micropython is built on Python 3. Okay, so we need Python 3, and also we need Putty. Okay, Putty is actually for serial communication, so we'll be using this Putty tool, all of you. So we'll be installing them now. Now we'll be installing ESP Tool. Open command prompt, and in the command prompt use pip to install ESP Tool. So pip install ESP Tool and press enter, all of you. Now it will be installed. Right, so we have completed installing ESP Tool. The next step, we are going to install the tool called as Putty. So go to Google and search for Putty. So Putty is mainly for serial communication. We are going to communicate with our NodeMCU board through serial communication using Putty. So we'll be using Putty for serial communication, all of you. And you will see here putty.org. Go to this particular page. And now you will see here download Putty. Now you will see here download Putty. Click here to download. And now you will see Windows installer, all of you. Please download 64-bit Windows installer. So click here to download the file. Right, save this file, all of you. Click to save this file. Just click on this file to save. Right, so done. Right, so you'll find this file in downloads. Okay, open the downloads. Okay, save this to file, and then open downloads, all of you. Go to downloads, all of you. So we are going to install Putty now. So already we have downloaded Putty installer. So go to downloads and install this. Click to install. So it will take several seconds. So installing. Click next, all of you. Right, click next. So you can click on install here. Okay, if you want to create shortcut, yes, you can check here, and you can even do that. Okay, so otherwise you can directly open this app. It is possible. So now I'll be installing this. Right, done. So we have installed, all of you. Click on finish. Click on finish. Right. So the next step is we are going to actually install MicroPython. So we have to flash MicroPython binary file to our NodeMCU. To do that, we have to download that particular binary file. So to download, you have to go to micropython.org. So search for MicroPython in Google. You will see the page, home page, micropython.org. Okay, MicroPython, Python for microcontrollers. Please click on this page. Please click on this page, all of you. Now in this page you will see download option. So you will see here download option. So click on the download option, and this MicroPython is available for different boards like Pi board, and also it is available for STM32 boards, Raspberry Pi Pico also supported. And we see here ESP8266 module generic, and please click on that. You will see here stable firmware. Okay, we are going to download this firmware, all of you. Okay, so you will see the latest firmware .bin file. Please click on this bin file, all of you, and save this bin file. Okay, and save this file. So after that, this I'll be creating a directory. In that directory I'll be keeping this file, all of you. Okay, so that is actually yes, we have saved in one directory. So we'll be doing that now. So create a directory. In that directory give some name, and keep that file here in this folder. Okay, so copy from downloads. Already we have downloaded it, right? So we are pasting here, all of you. Done, right? Okay, so now we have MicroPython firmware. We are going to flash this in NodeMCU, right? So again go to command prompt. So first we have to erase whatever may be the flash present in NodeMCU. Before that I have to check, I have to connect NodeMCU. I have connected NodeMCU, and I'll be checking the serial port, all of you. What is the serial port? By opening device manager. So I'll be opening device manager now. So open device manager. In the device manager you can see the port of your NodeMCU. So already I have connected my NodeMCU to the computer. So now I can see the port number. Please see the port number, all of you. Please see the port number, all of you. So in ports you will see here, that is actually COM8 you will see here, right? Okay. Now, so how to erase and how to flash? So ESP tool is very helpful for doing that. So this is the file path. Remember where we have stored this particular file. So you have to copy this file path, all of you. We need this file path in order to do this. Okay, do remember this file path. Okay, now I'll be showing how to actually erase the flash and how to install actually this particular ESP this MicroPython in the ESP. So I'll be doing that now. So go to command prompt now. Right now this is the command in order to erase the flash. So I'll be using this command in order to erase all of you. So now it is erasing my flash in NodeMCU. Right, you can see that here, erasing flash. Done. Now we are going to flash. So for flashing you can see here, always do remember, we have to remember the port number. Okay, you have to give the path here. So I have given the path also. So please give this, all of you, and press enter. Right, so now it is flashing the file. Okay, nice, done. Okay, now we are ready. Okay, your NodeMCU ready with the MicroPython. So open Putty to communicate. Open Putty, all of you. In Putty, go to serial, select serial. Okay, now give COM port number. COM port number is 8. So we have given here COM port number 8 115200. Open now. So you can see here Putty. Okay, you can write here the Python codes. This is actually Python REPL. Okay, so where you can type Python commands and you can check all of you. So now we are ready to go with the MicroPython coding. Okay, so in the next session we see how we can write the codes and work with the NodeMCU for different IoT projects. Okay.